It is raining dramas this week, and the latest to go on air is TV serial Mushk, starring Arwa Khan, Imran Ashraf, Momal Sheikh, and Usama Tahir in the key roles. The play is anything but a cliche story. It is about love in all forms, and the first episode reflects that. The drama opened in a rural setting as Momal Sheikh as Mehak returns home after 2 years. Mehak's grandfather blindly trusts her and does not deny any of her wishes. She brings along another young woman, Arwa Khan, as Goody and a newborn. To present the child as goodies, which is in fact her own, Mehak begs the farmer to maintain her secret. Goody, on the other hand, is very outrageous and is probably doing this for money. Arwa returns to the small screen with Mushk and is a treat to watch as Goody. Imran Ashraf as Adam, who we do not know much yet, is excited to see Mehak after a long time, but the two haven't met yet after her return. He is charming and does not talk much, but his face reflects how he feels. One can safely assume that he is probably in love with Mehak. However, we learn that she got married to someone else, Usama Tahir, as Shayan, who is also the father of her child while she was away. Shayan is presently behind bars and tries to escape but fails. He is restless, in love with Mehak, but we are not sure if she is aware of his situation. Other key characters who left an impact in the first episode include Zara Tareen, Mehak's curious aunt-in-law. She is tired of her ailing husband, played by Hassan Ahmed, while she is insecure because of the dominance Mehak enjoys in the household. Seher Khan looks promising as a young woman in love. She plays opposite Raza Talish. Mushk is not a run-of-the-mill drama and is far from the kind of stories we see on local televisions. Director Ahsan Talish of Sunu Chanda fame has done a brilliant job in terms of execution. It does not have saas-bahu conflicts or over-the-top performances. It is subtle yet impactful. The dialogues are deep and meaningful, while each character has a mystery to them. All of it hints at an interesting narrative that drama serial Mush is yet to unfold.